Hello sir, my name is Mohan Kishore and my roll number is 20CS30014. I am from section 14. I have made a project called Smart Streetlight as my DIY assignment too. Electricity is an essential part of modern life and important to the Indian economy. So it is best only to use the electricity that we need to. Nowadays so much of electricity is being wasted in operating the streetlights. There are many roads with very less traffic, but the streetlights on that road are turned on for the entire night, which results in the wastage of electricity. So the main objective of this project is to save the electricity used in the operation of streetlights. In this project, if a person or a vehicle comes close to the streetlight, then the light turns on, otherwise it is off. For this project, I used an Arduino Uno, a breadboard, an ultrasonic sensor, a LED bulb, a 220 ohm resistor, and a few jumper wires to make connections. At first I connected the positive and negative rails of breadboard to the 5 volts and ground pins of Arduino Uno respectively. Next I extended the power and ground rails of the breadboard to their respective buses on the opposite edge. Next I connected the cathode of LED to a 220 ohm resistor. The other leg of the 220 ohm resistor is connected to the ground. The anode of LED is connected to the Arduino pin number 12. The first two terminals of the ultrasonic sensor are connected to the ground and power pins respectively, and the third terminal is connected to the analog input pin A0. Now let us see the code for it. I written the code in the form of code blocks. Let me extend this. So at first I created a variable called distance, which stores the distance of the object from the ultrasonic sensor. Next I print the distance to the serial monitor with a new line. If the distance is less than 50 centimeters, then the pin 12 is set to high so that the LED bulb glows. Else the pin 12 is set to low so that the LED bulb is off. Now let me generate the text code for it. So this is the text code. Let us run this text code in the Arduino Uno IDE so that there are no errors. Let me run this. Save. So compiling sketch. So compiling is completed. So clearly there are no errors. So now let us stimulate the project. Start simulation. Here is the object. It is at a distance of 95.3 centimeters, which is greater than 50 centimeters. So the LED bulb is off. Now let me move this object towards the ultrasonic sensor. So now see, now the distance is 46.1 centimeters, which is less than 50 centimeters. So the LED bulb is turned on. That's all from my side. Thank you for listening with patience.